Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be answering some of the most frequently asked questions when it comes to maintaining your vanity. We'll give you some expert tips and tricks to keep your vanity looking brand new. It's recommended to clean your vanity at least once a week to prevent the buildup of dirt, soap, and other residues. Daily quick wipes can help maintain its shine. What products should you use for cleaning? Use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner or a mixture of water and gentle soap. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. A soft cloth or sponge works best for wiping down surfaces. How can you prevent water spots and stains? After cleaning, always dry the surface with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Regularly check for and wipe away any spills or splashes immediately. What should you do to protect the vanity from damage? Use coasters for hot tools and products, and place a tray or mat under toiletries to catch any drips. Is there a way to extend the life of my vanity? Consider applying a protective sealant once a year to guard against moisture and stains. Regular maintenance and gentle handling will ensure your vanity stays in great condition for years to come. By following these simple tips, you can keep your vanity looking beautiful and functional. For home improvement advice, subscribe to Golden Elite Deco and check out our other videos.